Pershing Square Capital Management's Bill Ackman revealed earlier this week he boosted his firm's stake in Restaurant Brands International by 56.21%. The Guru's New York-based hedge fund is known for taking large positions in a handful of underperforming companies and pushing for change in order to unlock value for shareholders. While he has found success recently in Chipotle and Starbucks, one of Ackman's most well-known activist targets, which did not end well for him, was Valiant Pharmaceuticals. He also pursued an unsuccessful short of Herbalife Nutrition, which he bowed out of in 2018. According to Real-Time Picks, a premium GuruFocus feature, Ackman invested in 9.04 million shares of restaurant brands on June 1st, impacting the equity portfolio by 7.13%. The stock traded for an average price of $55.82 on the day of the transaction. He now holds a total of 25.12 million shares of the Canadian Restaurant Holding Company, which represents 19.81% of the portfolio. GuruFocus estimates Pershing has gained 43.61% on the investment since establishing it in the fourth quarter of 2014. The company, which owns fast food restaurant brands like Tim Hortons, Burger King, and Popeye's Louisiana Kitchen, has a $17.36 billion market cap. Its shares were trading at around $58.61 on June 3rd, with a price-earnings ratio of 25.29, a price-book ratio of 12.07, and a price-sales ratio of 4.95. According to the Peter Lynch chart, the stock is trading above its fair value, suggesting that it is overpriced. In his annual letter to shareholders, Ackman wrote that due to its drive-through, pickup, and delivery options, which accounted for around two-thirds of its sales, Restaurant Brands was well-positioned to provide low-cost food during the COVID-19 lockdowns. GuruFocus rated Restaurant Brands' financial strength a 3 out of 10. As a result of issuing approximately $4.3 billion in new long-term debt over the past 3 years, it has low interest coverage. The Altman Z-score of 1.16 also warns the company could be at risk of going bankrupt since there has been a slowdown in revenue per share growth over the past 12 months. The company's profitability fared better, scoring a 7 out of 10 rating. Although the operating margin is in decline, it still outperforms a majority of its competitors. Restaurant Brands also has strong returns and a moderate Piotrowski F-score of 5, which indicates the business conditions are stable. With an 8.37% stake, Ackman is by far the company's largest Guru shareholders. Other Gurus with large position in Restaurant Brands as of March 31st were Warren Buffett, Lee Ainsley, PrimeCap Management, and Jim Simmons. Over 60% of Ackman's $6.57 billion equity portfolio, which is composed of 10 stocks as of the end of the first quarter, is invested in the consumer cyclical sector, with all other industries having much smaller representations. After several years of underperformance, Pershing Square made a comeback in 2019 with a return of 58.1%. This was substantially above the S&P 500 index's 31.49% return. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more updates from the world's most successful gurus in the future.